Grandpa, it is time to go to the market.
Yes, I am ready. Let us go.
I need to make a shopping list before we leave.
Good idea. What do we need to buy today?
Grandpa, do not forget your wallet. We need it at the market.
Don't worry, I have it right here. Let me lock the door before we leave.
Okay, take your time. I am ready. The weather looks nice today, doesn't it, Grandpa?
Yes, it is a beautiful morning for being for shopping.
Grandpa, the car looks very clean today.
Yes, I washed it yesterday morning.
You washed it yesterday. In the morning?
Yes, I cleaned it before breakfast.
Grandpa, look at those beautiful flowers.
They are lovely. I really like them.
I will buy some flower seeds at the market today.
Good idea. Let's pick some beautiful ones.
Grandpa, how far is the market from here?
About 10 minutes. We will be there soon.
Are we almost there? I can see some shops.
Yes, we are almost there. I can see the market too.
Wow, the market looks very busy today.
Yes, let's stay close. It is crowded.
Please stay close, Grandpa. I don't want us to get separated.
Don't worry. I'll stay right beside you.
Look at these tomatoes. They look fresh. How many should we buy?
Let's buy 1 kilogram. That should be enough for us.
Excuse me, how much are these tomatoes?
They are $3 per kilogram. That's a good price.
We also need garlic and some fresh ginger.
You're right. Let's put them in the basket.
Now let's buy some fruit. What do you want?
I'd like some apples and a few bananas.
This mango feels nice. Do you think it's ripe?
Yes, it looks sweet. Let's buy 2.
Grandpa, let's check our shopping list one more time.
Good idea. I don't want to forget anything.
Are you going to pay by card or by cash?
I'll pay by card first. It's quick and easy. Oh, my card isn't working.
Don't worry, I have some cash with me. Did we buy everything we needed today?
Yes, everything is here. We didn't miss anything.
Thank you, Grandpa. We had a very good shopping trip.
You're welcome. Let's go home and have some tea.
Did you learn something new today?
Practice every day and subscribe to English Edge 9.